Let's get an word from our correspondent Amrita Shirge, who's joining us live from Mumbai this morning. Amrita, both sides digging in their heels. Amit Shah had flown specially to Mumbai yesterday to try and resolve this crisis with Uddhav Thackeray, but still no resolution in sight. What are the kind of meetings that are planned between these two parties today?
Simi, it seems that this is make or break situation for 25 years old alliance of Shiv Sena and BJP. Shiv Sena is clearly saying that we do not believe in any ultimatum. BJP had given 12 hours ultimatum to Shiv Sena to come out with a solution. Initially, BJP was saying that the seat sharing should be equal for both the parties, 135 for each. After that, now according to sources, we are getting the information, the new formula which has been said by BJP says that 125 seats to BJP and 145 seats to Shiv Sena remaining for the other alliance parties, RPI and Shetkari Kamgar Paksha. Now Shetkari Kamgar Paksha and RPI, both the parties are trying their best to act as the mediator between BJP and Shiv Sena. They are trying to speak to the senior leaders of both the parties, and they are saying that the time is running out and we have to come out with the solution. They are saying that we have demanded less seats. Now BJP and Shiv Sena should also make such a decision faster. Now BJP is having a core committee meeting today, and BJP has said that we will be making the decision fast. Now it's up to Shiv Sena what demand they are saying, but somewhere the other leaders of Shiv Sena, they are saying that the final decision will be taken by Shiv Sena Chief Uddhav Thackeray, but somewhere Shiv Sena is not ready to give more seats to BJP, and that is the problem. But the time is running out, days are running out, and somewhere the negative image is going in public, and because of that, and yesterday's rally also in public meeting, also when Amit Shah was addressing the public rally in Kolhapur, he clearly said that the public from Maharashtra should bring out the BJP government. He did not use the word Mahayuti government. So that is a main question. He said that BJP government, now Shiv Sena is saying that we do not believe in any ultimatum. So the next 24 hours is a crucial period for the 25 years old alliance. Back to you.
Right, crucial 24 hours make or break situation for the Shiv Sena and the BJP. Amrita, thanks so much for that update. We're going to keep coming back to you for more through the day.